Finding the best rental property management software will always be hard, as there are now dozens of them online. Both mobile and web platforms can easily do things like accept online rent payments or deal with tenant screening, maintenance requests, or online forms. Welcome back, Loopers. I'm your host, Andrew Chung. In this video, we're going to be doing an in-depth review of Housters, a mobile property management software. Whether you're a landlord or a property manager, stay tuned to find out if it's the right tool for you. As a disclaimer, I work for DoorLoop, and this video is produced by DoorLoop. Housters was initially developed as a mobile app available for both iOS and Android devices. All you need to do is download it from your app store and sign up. Despite being a mobile-first app, Housters is also accessible from a computer. The data you enter is cloud synced, meaning you can manage your properties on the go or from your home. Housters is designed for landlords, property managers, contractors, and even tenants, making it a versatile tool. Some of its best features include the ability to track rent and deposits, accept online payments, create online application forms, run background checks, and even get financial or tax reports. In terms of pricing, Housters offers a free 3-month trial with full access to all features. After that, it charges $1 per unit monthly with a maximum cap of $40. Keep in mind, you must pay a minimum of $5 per month to keep using the service. Now, if Housters isn't quite what you're looking for, there are other alternatives out there. First off, let me introduce you to DoorLoop. DoorLoop is an all-in-one platform that provides all the essential property management services, from tenant and owner portals to accounting tools and excellent communication channels. We start at $49 for 20 units, and we offer a free demo for you to try before you buy. Another alternative is Innago, which offers a robust property management platform even in its free plan. The features include online rent payments, listing and syndication, maintenance requests, and many more. Innago is free if you get the basic plan, although you may still have to pay a few fees. You can expect a $2 fee for ACH payments, a 2.75% fee for debit payments, and a $30 to $35 fee for background checks. The third alternative is Rentmoji, a mobile app with basic but useful features like maintenance request tracking, easy communication with tenants, and an excellent platform to handle online payments. You'll have to contact them directly for pricing, but they do offer a free trial. In conclusion, Housters is a solid option for beginners or those with basic needs and a limited budget. However, for a more comprehensive property management experience, we'd recommend trying DoorLoop. Schedule your free demo today and discover everything that DoorLoop has to offer. Well, that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so we can get this information to more real estate professionals. If you want to join a community with other real estate professionals, join our exclusive Facebook community with the link in the description. And to learn more about property management tips, click this playlist here. We'll see you there.